This module is all about understanding our comfort zone. It's that warm and fuzzy place that we like to exist in. And oftentimes, we can accomplish a lot in our comfort zone. However, there are times when the comfort zone is not aligned with where the magic happens. So that puts you in a quandary. Should I stay in my comfort zone or should I get out of my comfort zone? And there's some compelling reasons on both sides. Staying is familiar, it's safe, it's comfortable. It's that familiar, same old place that we've always been in. Right? There's consistency, some continuity in the patterns. We know what to expect, which means there's going to be a limited amount of change. It also allows us to control how much risk we take, and for some people, that's important. And the old adage, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, goes a long way. So it's pretty compelling reasons to stay in your comfort zone. However, there's some very, very strong reasons to get out of your comfort zone. For example, you'll have the opportunity potentially to learn more and to learn faster, to be more challenged. A lot of people are looking for that in their job. It'll let you dive into the deep end, into some areas that you may not see otherwise. You can strengthen relationships with your peers and embrace innovation that is often the cornerstone of most companies. And it'll allow you to demonstrate being adaptable, which is what a lot of supervisors are looking for in their people. Plus, you get to go the extra mile, really be part of a team. So it's pretty compelling to consider getting out of your comfort zone. The question really to ask yourself is, are you willing to step into and embrace change? It's a big question for many people. So I'll leave you with a couple of quotes, one from President Kennedy and one from the musician and performer Henry Rollins. President Kennedy said, "Change is the law of life. Those who only look to the past or present are certain to miss the future." Henry Rollins said, "Change is hard, but change is good." Consider that the next time you're in that space.